Okay, so Thanksgiving is right around the corner. And my husband and I made a turkey this weekend, and I thought that I would share this with you and show you a very simple, easy way to cook a turkey. You don't even have to baste it or inject it for it to turn out so tender. And you do want to make sure you buy one with a pop-up timer in it, because it will pop up when it's done. So it's just that easy. The first thing I'm going to do is cut this plastic hanger out of it. And then also we're going to make sure that we get all of the giblet packets out of it that contains liver and heart and yeah, just that stuff. Make sure you get that out. And I did trim the fat off of this, and I cut the tail off. So you want to make sure you cut that tail off. Also, I like to wash mine. That's optional. You don't have to, but I like to do that. And by the way, I did make sure my sinks were absolutely thoroughly cleaned before I put that turkey in there. And you can also tie the legs on this to make it much more pleasant looking while it cooks. But I don't do that. I never do that because we usually end up slicing it anyways. And this is what you will need: an Oster roaster oven. This, I believe, is an 18-quart Oster roaster oven. And we love this thing. You can even cook 2 whole chickens in this, and it turns out so tender. You don't have to put water in it while it's cooking. It comes with a rack that you just set the turkey on. You don't even have to inject this with butter or any kind of injection. You can just put it in there, and it is so moist. Now at Christmas, my husband and I like to use, I believe it's Tony Chachere's maybe, but it's a Cajun injection kit. And we do use that and inject it. Now here is the pop-up button, the timer. And we're just going to cook this until that little pop-up button pops up. And this took about 2 hours and 15 minutes to cook. A 13-pound turkey on 325 degrees. And voila, about 2 hours and 15 minutes later, this turkey is done. Look at there. Yeah, I should have tied his legs up, but, I wasn't trying to impress anyone. And see the button? It's popped out. So it tells you it's done. It really is that simple to make a turkey. And if you want your turkey to be moist, then I highly recommend buying one of these Oster roasters.